So today we've got a 2018 M3 competition in the workshop at Xatrix. We will be fitting in Active Autowerke mid-pipe. We're going to take you on that journey with us. So there's a few mounts that hold the exhaust up with these rubber bushes, so you don't get any NVH. Right, so we've fitted the AA mid pipe, it's all in. We've checked every mount for torque, so we've torqued everything up to spec. The last thing that we need to do really is just take out the spacer block from here, get the car on the ground, start it up, and it's hero.